We are now here in Lisbon. We think this is our Airbnb. We have no Wi-Fi or cellular service or anything like that. So we're gonna try to figure out what to do. Melissa's trying to find some Wi-Fi back there so she can either call him or text him or something.
Good afternoon. We have just arrived here in Lisbon. We got to our Airbnb, which is in the center of the city. Like the tram car or the trolley runs right outside. It's our Airbnb. The building it's in, is 300 years old. The inside has been restored and modernized, but these blue tiles here are original to the building. It's 300 years old, at least. It's a great location for our Airbnb and we should be able to walk everywhere. So we are about to head to one of the highly recommended restaurants called Cevicheria. It's touristy, but it's like one of the touristy places you have to go to. So we're gonna go because we're hungry.
And I have a question. Who else does this when they travel? The first thing, they just unload all their crap in the apartment. We unloaded all this stuff right here.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Like everything that was in my purse, I've now dumped out because I don't want to walk around with it.
But we're hungry, so let's go eat.
Lisbon has electric scooters for you to use. However, we don't have any cell service here. So we won't be able to use it, but they have Bird, and then they also have Frog. And Frog's motto is leap forward.
So the area that we are staying is, and I'm probably going to butcher the name of it, but it's Barrio Alto. It's probably not how you pronounce it, but apparently that's where like a lot of the restaurants are, a lot of the cool areas are, bars and stuff like that. So yeah, really good area to stay in when you're here in Portugal. And we are now here at this overlook. And yeah, that. Alright guys, this is Melissa's photography technique. Light on the camera with 2 phones. Did your technique work?
No.
No?
No. This is the best I could do.
Okay, that's not bad.
Here's Cevicheria, where we're gonna grab a bite to eat. It's a small place. Normally there's a line, but it's like 3:45 p.m. so we should be able to get seated, no problem. Ordered 3 kinds of ceviche and octopus. So the pure, the salmon, the Portuguese, and the octopus. So we'll see.
No, king crab.
Oh, king crab, not octopus. Trying to make the perfect bite. It's very good.
They have like pineapple film. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think?
I liked it.
Yeah,
the ceviche was really good. The presentation was amazing.
Yeah, very unique. Different than any ceviche we've had before.
It was a piece of art.
We are now going to our second stop on our little food tour today. Portugal, or really Lisbon, is known for pastel de nata. So there's a couple spots. There's one in Belém, which is a little bit far from here, which is like the original, I guess, location.
These Portuguese tarts were originally made by monasteries to use up their leftover ingredients. So they use leftover eggs to make these egg tarts. Monks from the monastery would make the egg tarts, so that's how Portuguese tarts got started. We
are gonna go try this one place that's also pretty famous and is highly recommended. It's like right here in town, and
it doesn't have the crazy long lines. I actually heard that this place is better, the one that starts with an M. It's just not the original. So
this location is literally a 5-minute walk down the street from our Airbnb. Pastel de nata place. It's super busy and there's only standing room only. There's no seats or anything. At least, yeah, that's what it looks like. No seats, so we're gonna grab a few and just eat it. Nice little stop inside to get some dessert. taste. So what you have to do apparently is you put a lot of sugar on there, a lot of cinnamon, and just go for it.
Is it warm?
It's warm. That's really good. Yeah, nice and flaky. Actually not as sweet as I thought. Hey guys, so I think we came at the perfect time for this place. Usually this place is packed. We were able to get right in, get our pastel de nata.
Alan got his pastel de nata.
Yes.
I didn't get it because they don't have a gluten-free version.
But
we're gonna go to another bakery called Zarzuela, and they have a gluten-free version. So I hope it's just as good. If not, I might eat one here on another day.
pastel de nata is €1, so just bring like 10 euros and get like 10, because you're gonna want more than one. I got 3, and yeah, I still want more.
So while we were in there was a tour guide who brought her, group in to try some pastel de nata, and so I got a little history lesson on it. So in Belém, there's a bakery called Pasteleria de Belém, and they bought the rights to the recipe. They bought the recipe from the monastery in Belém, so they're the only place that calls their pastel de nata pastel de Belém. It's the only place that's called something different, but it's the same thing. And the egg tart is made with leftover egg yolk, so they use the egg whites for, the monks use the egg whites for something else, and then they had leftover egg yolk and they didn't know what to do with it, so they made these egg tarts. So that's how it got formed.
Facts with Melissa. Wait, I think we just saw a malfunction on this trolley here. He has to put it back on the line. We just saw some sparks.
But I think it happens all the time, because he was like, oh, no big deal, let me just go back there.
Yeah. But since Melissa got these new shoes, they're very slippery, so I have to hold her hand. Otherwise, she's gonna fall. She's already fallen once.
I literally fell. But even before I fell, I slipped like 3 times, and then I eventually fell.
Yeah. So I have to hold her hand.
For me. And me. Zarzuela is one of the places in Lisbon where you can get a gluten-free pastel de nata. So here I am. I haven't tried it yet. It doesn't quite look the same in texture, the dough part anyway. So I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know what I think.
Oh, it is bigger though.
I mean, it's pretty good, but I'm sure not the same.
Should I try it so I can have a comparison?
You can have a tiny bite.
Tiny bite.
How's that tiny?
Yeah, not quite the same, but still good.
De Portugal. It's a sardine store. So Lisbon or Portugal is known for their sardines, and this store will sell sardines in the prettiest little tin packages. So we're gonna buy some to bring home.
And it's like the most colorful looking store ever. Look at this. And this place literally is like down the street, and they have samples for us to try. So 3 different kinds.
Oh, I can't.
You can just eat the fish.
Yeah, but. And I think this is just like a little kitschy commemorative tin, but it's supposed to be, you get one of the year that you're born in. So we were both born in 85, so we're getting this. I don't think it's any more expensive than the other one, so why not?
Yeah, look, they have all the different years now. 44 to 2019.
So we got some sardines in these like super cute decorative tin cans. We'll probably keep it for a while and then eat it. But yeah, that's what Portugal is known for, sardines.
Lots of fish and mostly sardine. I think that is going to be it for our first short day here in Lisbon. So far, first impressions, what do you think, Melissa?
Awesome.
Yeah, we really like it so far. It feels really good, but now we have to climb all these stairs back to our Airbnb. So we'll say goodnight for today and see you tomorrow.